In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create consistent characters in Midjourney, whether you're using V4 or V5. The steps to create consistent characters are slightly different in both Midjourney V4 and V5, so make sure to watch till the end to learn how to create consistent characters in Midjourney. So let's get started. The first thing that we are going to do is to head over to the Midjourney Discord server. If you don't already have an account in Midjourney, you can watch my other video to create one. After that, you will have to type in /imagine and ask the bot to create a few images for you. But before that, you will have to understand how the seed parameter works in Midjourney. So to create consistent characters, we are going to use a parameter in Midjourney called the seed. The Midjourney bot uses a seed number as a starting point each time someone tries to create an image using the AI. These seeds are randomly generated, as no seed is specified for each prompt that someone enters in Midjourney. As a result, even if you give the exact same prompt multiple times to the Midjourney bot, the results that it gives you will be completely different from each other. To fix this and get similar results, you can use the seed parameter along with your prompts in Midjourney. So if you use the same seed numbers across different prompts, you can create multiple different images that look similar to the image whose seed you used across different prompts. So to use this code and start creating consistent characters, we will need to first type in /imagine and give the Midjourney bot a prompt to create the artwork. So for the purpose of this video, I am going to ask the bot to create two images, one using the Midjourney V4 and the other using V5, so that I can demonstrate how to create consistent characters in both versions. Firstly, let's ask the AI to create an image using the V4 code. So type in /imagine followed by the prompt. After entering the prompt, type --V4. Now the bot will generate images using the Midjourney version 4. Now upscale the image of your liking by clicking on these buttons to the bottom of the grid. If you don't like any, ask the AI to create another set of images. After you have upscaled the image, click on it and open the image in a new tab. Now, copy the link to the image and head back over to the Discord server. Now find the upscaled image and click on the Add Reaction button on the top right corner of the grid. Then, search for the envelope icon from all these icons and click on it. The Midjourney bot will now send another message along with the seed code of the image that you have upscaled. So now that we have both the seed number and the image link, let's create the consistent characters in Midjourney V4. To do that, type in /imagine and then paste the link to the upscaled image. Now enter a new prompt or change a few things up in the original prompt so that we can make slight changes in the image. Now type in --seed followed by the seed number that we found earlier by reacting to the upscaled image. After entering all of these, hit enter and the Midjourney bot will now create consistent characters. If you are not satisfied, try a few more times and make sure to paste both the image link and seed number along with the prompt in Midjourney. Now, I will show you how to create consistent characters using the Midjourney version 5. To do that, type in /imagine followed by a prompt, and you can also add various parameters like the aspect ratio to improve your images. If you want to learn more about how to level up your Midjourney prompts, you can watch my other video on 10 Midjourney prompt tips and tricks. After entering the prompt, type in --V5 to tell the bot to create the image using the version 5 of Midjourney. Once the bot has finished generating the images, it's time to find the seed number so that we can create consistent characters. In Midjourney V5, unlike V4, you don't have to upscale the image of your liking to find the seed number. Instead, you will have to find the seed numbers for the image grid as a whole. To do that, click on the Add Reaction button and find the envelope icon from all these icons and click on it. Midjourney will now send a message along with the seed number of the images that we generated. Now that we have found the seed code, it's time to create consistent characters. So to do that, click on the image of your liking from the message that Midjourney sent you and open it in a new tab. Copy the link to the image and head back over to the Discord server. Now, paste the image link after /imagine, and then enter the new prompt that you want to give the Midjourney bot. Make sure not to make drastic changes in the prompt so that the images won't look far off from your initial image. After entering the prompt, copy the seed number from the message and paste it next to the prompt. Now the Midjourney bot will create 4 new images that are similar to the image that you first created. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can change the prompt a little and try again a few more times. You'll be surprised how well the Midjourney bot does the job. So, that's it for today's tutorial on creating consistent characters using Midjourney version 4 and 5. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.